Introducing the futuristic 2026 Leapmotor B05 Design 67 1 kWh 482 kilometers in sleek black, boasting top-of-the-line features for your comfort and safety. With its electric engine, automatic transmission, and hatchback body style, this vehicle offers a smooth and efficient ride. Enjoy the convenience of air conditioning, Bluetooth phone connectivity, and satellite navigation, while staying safe with 360 view cameras, collision alerts, and multiple airbags. With a glass roof, privacy glass, and spoiler, this car is as stylish as it is secure. Rest assured that this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Call us or visit our website opelnaas.ie for more information. Drive into the future with the Leapmotor B05 Design 67.1 kWh 482 kilometers today.